use the macro extend insert length to change the length of a selected line or curve. Start the macro and select the element you want to edit. Depending on the position of your click, the modification will be distributed differently. When clicking close to the center of an element, the changes will affect both ends. However, if you select the data point at the start or end of an element, only the selected position will be modified. After selecting, an editor appears displaying the length of the selected element. Type in the desired length. The element will be modified according to your clicking position. Repeat the macro by clicking with the right mouse button. To end the macro, click left.